así es como incómodo, porque tú tienes las piernas muy largas.
I'm exercising before we eat. So I can have room to eat and I don't feel guilty. This is hers, not mine.
Right.
That's my cousin behind the camera. I'm in my grandmother's house. Say hello to everybody.
Hello,
Say your
everybody.
name.
My name is Luz Bruno. Me dicen Lucy.
La jodona.
Y la loca.
And today she's gonna teach me and teach you how to make Spanish oxtails.
Yeah, Oxtail.
¿Qué vas a hacer primero?
Shut up.
A lavarlos y echarlos en la olla aquí de presión para que estén rapidito. Quickly.
Yes, that's what she said. She's gonna wash them and put them in there so they can be done quickly.
And then Frankie los va a hacer.
And then Frankie's gonna eat them.
And then Frankie los va a hacer. ¿De qué? Hacer.
How you clean it? With water, that's it?
Ay,
And vinegar.
no, a limón.
Wait, you don't clean this with
Vinagre
vinegar?
también.
Oh.
Lo que sea.
Water and vinegar or water and lemon, she said.
Si no tengo limón, pues le pones lemon. Que no abre. Para lavarlos.
I'm taking a shower.
La compré hoy, la olla de presión especial para Frankie.
What is oxtail in Spanish?
El rabo de la vaca.
What that means?
The tail.
The tail of the cow.
Y es lo más que alimenta. Para que yo sepa.
That does sound nasty, but it tastes so...
Alimenta más que un bistec. Por eso que es tan caro. Mira, 8 pesos.
If you hear this bird chirping, where is it? Where are you? Oh, let's go inside.
It's yellow. Those are fake.
Oh! Wait, the bird.
Stop, Frank. Why did you
I'm
let
mad.
that bird loose?
I didn't look.
Stop, don't scare that bird.
I thought it was a gate, and there's a hole right here. So now the bird is flying everywhere.
Al marido no le tiene miedo.
What are you doing?
I'm hiding from the bird. I don't do birds. Stop.
Turn that light on so I can see you hiding.
Stop.
Where is it?
Stop. Don't make it fly because I will run to you. Stop. Stop.
Where are you going?
Wow. Stop.
Okay, well, back to the oxtail.
Stop. Mom.
Alright, go back to your cage. So what do you do now?
Oh, le pongo un poquito de agua,
Put a little water,
chipito de sal
a little bit of salt.
y lo pongo a ablandar para después hacerlo en rabo encendido.
What's that?
Rabo guisado, pero se llaman rabo encendido.
What is it?
Rabo encendido,
¿Qué es eso?
como hot. Tú sabes, si hay
Oh.
gente que lo hacen picoso.
Spicy.
Spicy. Frankie todavía no es.
Oh, what's that for then?
So I can steam
Oh,
inside. So the oxtails could get
No, tú
soft.
sabes. Ese va a estar carne. 15 minutes.
15? Let's see what Ashley got you.
2 horas me dio.
What she gave you for Christmas?
Soda.
Look. That's actually give it to me, Pepsi. Okay.
Hold on.
That's my Pepsi. I just put it in the bag.
Una gorra.
Oh.
¿Tú estás grabando? Thank you, Ashley. Nice. Thank you, porque hace un frío Perú.
What is that? Oh, slippers.
Socks.
Socks?
Una media.
Oh.
Nice. Look qué linda. Con un sapo.
What is
From
that?
Puerto Rico.
What's that?
A frog or a Christmas tree?
A Christmas tree. Yo que quiero un sapo.
I can't.
Déjasela ahora. Good. Está duro, Frankie, todavía. Voy a poner un chipito más para que queden blanditos. Nada más que le pongo. Ahora sí, ¿ves? Mira, están blandititos.
What's that?
Sofrito.
Oh. Pepper?
Ajá. Si tiene. Garlic.
That's all the seasoning.
Alcaparrado.
Olive.
Ajá. Okay. Aquí.
Heat it up. What's that?
Recao.
Recao.
Recadito para que le dé saborcito. Lávalo.
Oh. Dry my hands, she said. Very demanding.
Cuando lo lava, no le caiga allá adentro, toma, lávalo.
So why did he dry his hands if he has to wet it?
No te lo lavas aquí encima, ¿verdad?
No.
Sí, did.
That's it?
Ajá. Frankie haciendo los oxtails. 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 That's not funny.
I know you like my foods.
Yeah.
If y'all don't know, that's Brazen Victor Vargas.
I'm big
Échale un
that.
poquitito de salsa.
Like how much?
A
Échale.
little.
A little.
Like this?
Sí, está bien. Ahora,
That's it?
sí. Échale otro No, está bien, está bien, está bien. Sí, un chipito. Ok. Ve diciendo lo que le está echando.
Oh, I'm putting a little bit. See, she's demanding. I put a little bit, she said. Just a
Un
little bit.
chipito de aquello. Achiote.
No.
Oh. Achote para mi comida. How much?
Poquito, porque esa es grasa.
More?
Un chipitito más. That's it.
That's it, that's it.
That's it. Ok, ahora le echas.
And now you... Oh, there's more. Sazón.
No todo como las dueñas aquí. Que le echa todo el sobre. Un chipito. Un
Ok.
poquito. No está saliendo nada. Ajá, espera. Ya, está bien.
Nothing else he needs to put inside?
Enséñale ahí el sofrito. Eso es sofrito para...
You're really demanding.
No te rías, nena, porque mira, te tú vas a enseñar a un cocinero ahí a cocinar.
She's telling her not to lie.
I'm done.
Te vas a sacar...
Sorry.
Tú me vas a romper la cocina. Estaba bañando el video. Afloja para el retrato y peor para el video.
And what are you?
Deja él que está cocinando. Sácala de
The
esto.
chef is getting mad.
Ve sacando esto, echándolo ahí.
Okay. With this?
Ajá.
Oh.
Coopérate. Un chipito de vino para que te emborrache.
Wine?
Mm-hmm.
We getting drunk, turned up,
No,
tipsy.
este es para cocinar. Toma, ábrelo y échalo.
She said it's for cooking, not for drinking. More?
Ya. Que te emborracha.
So now we take the oxtails.
You gotta hurry up before that sauce dry up.
No te apures porque el agua también va a echar
Oh,
un poquito
ok.
ahorita. Lo que pasa es que no quiero. Ok, muévelo porque...
You took the spoon.
Toma. La idea. Que le coja la salsa poquito ahí. Toma.
Mix it so that the
No
sauce
haga mess,
gets
que
in
no
it,
haga
she
mess,
said.
suave.
She said don't make a mess.
Mira el arroz.
Uncover.
Oxtails. Arroz con gandules para mañana lunes.
Looking delicious.
No, ¿quieres que te la aguante?
Okay.
Well, what? Mm-hmm. You're nasty.
She don't like oxtails, but I do. Yeah, but she eats liver, right?
Oh, liver. That's good.
That's worse.
That's better than cow tail.
No, it ain't. Anyway, this is
Delicious.
delicious. So I'm gonna eat it and let y'all be jealous. And that was an episode of Cooking with Grandma. Bye. Say bye to everybody.
Mom.
Se acabó el oxtail.
I'm done.